the latest advisory tell us?
Well, Laura is strengthening a little bit. Pressure has dropped a little bit during the course of this evening. Satellite imagery looking fairly impressive with the storm essentially over the western tip of Cuba right now. Should be emerging in the Gulf of Mexico later on tonight, first thing tomorrow morning, and that's when it's probably going to be go time for this system. Laura now with 65-mile-an-hour winds. It's moving pretty quickly, but should slow down a little bit as it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, and that will also aid in development and more than likely becoming not only a hurricane but a Category 2 hurricane. Latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center now has this on the verge of a Category 3, which is 111-mile-an-hour winds or greater, 110 at 7 p.m. So a very strong Cat 2. No change in the forecast track. Southwest Louisiana. The track may shift to the west based on models tonight. We'll see if that continues overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. But nonetheless, this puts Acadiana under the gun. We have hurricane watches for the entire area as we go into Wednesday night. In fact, we started the day with tropical storm warnings associated with Marco. Those were dropped first thing this morning, and then by this afternoon, hurricane watch for most of Acadiana, tropical storm watch to the north, but that's probably going to go to a hurricane watch tomorrow as the threat of hurricane winds advances further inland. Tomorrow, another workable day. There's going to be some scattered showers and storms. A hurricane watch for most of Acadiana, as we indicated, and coming up, we'll talk more about this graphic, the potential Laura impacts, high impacts for storm surge, rainfall, also wind and power outages. We'll have full details on this and the complete review forecast and the latest model guidance coming up in just a bit.